Hey, Goldie here from Brizy Tricks. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to build a squeeze page, really quickly build a squeeze page to start building your email list, which is one of the most valuable things that you can have in this business. So, firstly, you need to have something to give away, a lead magnet. In my case, I'm going to be giving away a series of checklists, basically, which guide the entire process of building a sales funnel from identifying your perfect audience to um, all the way through every step of the process to building and launching your funnel and then getting traffic to your funnel. So, in order to do this, I'm going to be using Brizy Cloud. This is, although I have the pro version of Brizy Cloud here, there's nothing that can't be done in the free version of Brizy Cloud. So, if you want the free version, head across to the site, the Brizy Cloud, Brizy Tricks site, which is linked in the subject below, um, and sign up for a free account. Now, so here I am in my Brizy Cloud account. I'm going to start building my page here. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a block. So I'm going to create my own block. It's just going to be really simple. There's nothing tricky needed here. Now in this block here, I'm going to add first a headline. And my headline, I've got it written up here, is very simple, the ultimate sales funnel building checklist. I'm going to center that, make that an H1. Okay, done. Below that, I'm actually going to add a column. I'm going to put a subheadline here, but I want us to be slightly boxed. And I want a bit of color behind it, so I'm going to just make a section like so, and give it a bit of a background color just so that the whole page is not just white. Okay, now in that box there, I am going to add more text and add my subheadline, which basically just elaborates on what the headline says. These free checklists will guide you through every stage of the funnel creation process, keeping you focused and on task from the initial idea to the funnel launch. Okay, so it pretty much says everything you're going to get. Now below there, I'm going to just give a little bit of instruction because it's always worth telling people exactly what you want them to do. Get in there. Okay, enter your email to access the video, but it's not a video, it's a checklist. Enter your email address to get access to these checklists. Okay, next we need a form. So we just drag a form. Actually, again, I'm going to put a column. Where's my column? There we go. I'm going to put some columns in here because I don't want my form to be full width. I'll just throw that up there. By default, the form here has email, the option box, and the paragraph section. I'm going to delete the paragraph section and change the option box to a text box. I'm going to name the text box for first name. Okay, now download the checklists. Okay. Now you will need to set up your email notifications and connect to your autoresponder. I'll do that in a little while. But you'll need to have, you can use a free MailChimp or MailerLite or any of these other, if you have any subscription to any of these other accounts, you can use those. You can add reCAPTCHA if you want to. I'm not going to in this particular one. Okay, so basically that's all we need there. And then below, I'm just going to put a little bit of an anti-spam statement there, just a little bit of a confidence builder, because I do hate spam as much as you do. Okay, now if you're sending any paid traffic to this squeeze page that you build, you will need to have a terms and conditions and a privacy policy down the bottom here. That's generally a rule of any ad platform, or most ad platforms anyway, that you have to have a privacy policy. Other than that, that's pretty much all you need to do to build a okay, so just basically what I'm going to do here is there will be a redirect to a thank you page. I won't have the checklists available for download on the thank you page. I will have that in my first email which goes out. The thank you page will just say thanks for signing up. Check your email for the checklists, because that just guarantees that I'm getting real emails rather than fake emails for the download. That's pretty much all that we need on this page. So I hope this has been helpful. I hope you can go out now and start building your email list with this squeeze page. I'd love for you to subscribe below to the YouTube page or join the Facebook group, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.